I will start with my manifestation. So there were people talking about conscious mind, subconscious mind, hota hai, nahi hota. So on 26th January, I thought that I want to get more fit. So I made a plan, 8 weeks, and I will reduce 8 kilos. It didn't work out. I reduced only 4 kilos, but it happened. As many people were saying कि हम manifest करते हैं and होता नहीं, फिर हम demoralize हो जाते हैं. मैंने बोला नहीं, ठीक है. In 2 months, I reduced 4 kilos, and now also the plan is on track to reduce 4 more kilos, जो मेरा original target था. So don't get bogged down कि यार नहीं हो रहा, अब तो छोड़ दो. And on the profit side, the profits have doubled as I shared in the workshop.
Profits have doubled in how much time?
If we compare month on month, so if we compare from the March to April, they are doubled. So we had increased the prices. Basically, usse hua hai.
Okay. So your profits have doubled in this last year.
Yes.
So okay.
So there's no drop in the sale, but the profits have doubled. The
Awesome.
quantity is the same.
Awesome.
After increasing the prices.
But that's brilliant because you know it's not easy for somebody to just increase the profit. Either which ways. मतलब आप price बढ़ा के दिखा दो और profit double करके दिखा दो.
And it's a commodity business, automobile parts.
And it's a commodity business. So in a commodity business, you manage to double your profits.
Yes.
By increasing the prices.
By increasing the prices.
How did you do that? Or how did you manage to pull it off and people are still buying?
It's because of systems. I am not a marketing person. The marketing is looked by a partner. But around 2 weeks back, I talked to one of the distributors and said, "Okay, 4-5 months में आपको क्या change है?" So now the results also. So he says, order dispatch अगर Monday को आता है, Tuesday निकल जाता है. मतलब Tuesday को dispatch हो जाता है. कोई every communication, order dispatch, order receiving, any delay in order, we get a message or an email कि आपका order dispatch हो गया है. कोई payment के लिए follow up करना है, तो वो भी there's someone who is calling for the payment. So they are saying कि जो value add हुई है, उससे the people want to stick with us.
So that's how you managed to pull this off.
Yeah.
Awesome. So one, you've doubled your profits. So what are the results you've got? Why don't you state all of them?
So the dispatch time has reduced by 50%. So earlier it was around 6 days. Now it is 2.5 days. And cash expenses are almost nil. So we had a problem कि cash.
पहले cash expenses कितने थे?
5 to 10 lakhs a month.
So that has गायब हो गया.
गायब हो गया. So Harsh helped me in this. He suggested start alignment. Tell them half मतलब cash में होगा, half ऐसे होगा. So now they want क्या fully check दे दो हमें.
Okay. What else?
And purchase के अंदर things are improving. The material is coming on time. Still we have not been able to do 100%. No. 100% full quantity, but for the 4 locations we managed. In one of the location IMS is working perfectly and there is only 1% of stock out from 12% to earlier. In February it was 12% and for April it was 1% only.
Stocks कितने कम हुए?
Stocks have not gone down, but yes, some slow moving inventory was with us for 1 year. That has reduced by 100%, and the fast moving the inventory we were not able to keep because of the planning and the. So we we have the inventory which is selling basically. So the stock outs have reduced. That has added to the sale and the profits.
Okay. So what other major results did you get? And guys, I want you to look at this because all of these results are something that you can create for your business. और मतलब ये वाले results आपको भी मिलने चाहिए.
order dispatch is very good.
It's on time?
It's on time.
All on time?
So yeah, someone had come here and he shared order was dispatching within the same, on the same day. I think he was a TV manufacturer. So उस दिन मैंने सोच लिया था कि order dispatch 2 days में करना है अभी के लिए. So order dispatch is 99% orders are being dispatched in 2 days. And we have 2,000 items.
पहले क्या?
पहले तो 6 to 10 days मतलब पता भी नहीं होता था.
Awesome. 2,000 items, 2 days, all order dispatches. Brilliant. Very nice. What else?
And on the USP and guarantee front, so I was brainstorming with my wife and my team. So I am planning that we can guarantee 98% order fulfillment in 60 hours.
60 hours.
60 hours. 98%.
And that will impact your business.
Yes. And I am also thinking कि अगर नहीं होता है, we will give you a discount on the next order.
Very nice. Very
10%
nice.
discount on the next order.
Brilliant. Very good. Thank you so much. Really nice. Thanks.
And I had shared a file on the group when I came for the workshop, and when you had introduced us, I could not stand and talk in the workshop. If you, I think many people would be knowing. In February, I had checked in the hotel. I was on the bed at 9. मैंने manifest कर लिया था next day जाके workshop में बोलना है. And I had made a plan also. On the plan, in May 2018, I had written, tell about my autopilot in BCI workshop.
Awesome.
I will share the photo.
Awesome. Very nice.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Awesome.